Y'all, guess what? It is Vlogmas Day 3. I'm in the house. Absolutely, I am. I'm in the house. Got the face beat, lips red, wearing red. Oh, yeah, your girl is in the house. Girl is in the house. Got my little Christmas tree, and I need to put it back up here. Okay, yes. What it is, what it do, beautiful babes. Are y'all ready for day 3 of Vlogmas? Y'all, ain't nothing going on. Ain't nothing going on up in here. I'm actually getting ready to turn on my diffuser, and I got my Simply Earth Candy Cane Essential Oil Blend. This is a oil blend that is a seasonal diffuser blend. Yes, hunty, let me see what's in this beautiful scent. Okay, it's a mixture of several different oils. Let me get this right. Okay, in this blend you have spearmint, frankincense, orange, and lemon essential oil, and it just says experience the seasonal aromas. Place 2 to 6 drops in your diffuser. And that's exactly what I'm getting ready to do, because I want it to be smelling like delish up in here. I got my diffuser. Can you see right here? I can only stretch it so far across here. So what it is on this Tuesday? It's Tuesday, right? Y'all know it's Tuesday, right? Let me get me a H2Dos. I think I used the last one the other day. As a matter of fact, I think y'all saw it in my empties. Okay, so let me get this in here. I was actually getting ready to eat some lunch here in a moment. Mikey D said, no cooking today, honey. Y'all getting some Popeye's chicken. Not the chicken sandwiches, y'all. Just some Popeye's chicken. Just some chicken. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, that's all I'm doing. I need to clean off my little desk here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I just wanted to do that. Absolutely. Now, let's light this baby up. Not light it up, but turn it on, actually, okay? I want to light it up. And let her... Ooh. Yes. Yeah. That smells like holiday. For sure. Let me place this back in my essential oil rack. Hey, have y'all seen it since I, got everything all organized in it? I wonder if I showed it to y'all. I don't know if I did or not. Let me just move some of the junk out the way so y'all can perhaps see it. Let me just swing you around over here now. Don't. You see? Got it all organized over there with all my little oils. And listen, y'all. Listen. I feel like doing something special, okay? I feel like doing something special. Can somebody guess how many essential oils are over there? Mind you, whether they're duplicate or not, let me know how many it is. Now, don't be sitting there trying to count on the video, because I know y'all slick. Y'all will do something like that when you're trying to count. You're trying to count, aren't you? Shame on you. Shame on you. Y'all. Let me talk about new gadgets, perhaps. Can I talk about new gadgets? Because I did get a new gadget, and I'm excited to have her in the house. Y'all, I got an Alexa. Yep, she probably listening now. Let me go around and let y'all meet her. Because Alexa is my new friend. And she listens in on everything that I'm doing, so let me check her out. Y'all meet Alexa. This is Alexa, my new friend. Y'all say hello to her. Alexa, say hello to my friends.
On September 25th, 2019, Amazon announced several new Echo devices including Echo Show 8, Echo Dot with Clock, Echo Flex, Echo 3rd Generation, Echo Buds, Echo Studio, Echo Frames, Echo Loop, Amazon Smart Oven, and Echo Glow.
Alexa,
These new
stop.
Echo devices make it even easier to add Alexa to more places in your home or use on the go.
Alexa, stop. You see what I'm saying? She's got to be my friend because she talks so much. Alexa, say good afternoon to my friends.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. That's all you had to do. I don't know why you keep talking so much. You know, she definitely has to be my my friend for sure. Alexa, what is the temperature here in Memphis, Tennessee?
Right now, it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 36 degrees.
But anyway, this is my new gadget, my new toy. So when I'm looking up something or I need to know something about anything, she's here to help me out. So let me see if she has some information for y'all. Alexa, is vitamin E oil good for the skin?
Here's something I found on reference.com. Pure vitamin E oil is good for the skin, according to how stuff works. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that can protect skin against free radical damage.
Thank you. Now y'all see, she's just like me. She talks a heck of a lot. All right, beautiful babes, listen, today, simple as can be. I think my sister is getting ready to stop by in a few hours. So, you know, we just gonna hang out and chit chat. We went to an event that she had this weekend. It was so nice, y'all. Super nice. She did a fantastic job on everything. So I know she wants to chit chat about how great the event went, and you know, just you know, sister time, sister bonding. You know how it goes. Everybody needs that kind of family around to hang out with and to be able to chit chat. And she may also get those nails done. I think she will probably, because she said she popped off a few of them because she was just so busy this weekend working. And y'all, what else is new? I'm trying to find out. I know I have some Amazon items coming today, and I had just talked about the fact that I had not purchased any makeup, anything. But I'm gonna tell you what I did. I told y'all about those MAC lipsticks, okay, that I'm always trying to read that fine print as to what color is in the tube, right? Y'all, I ordered some clear tube tops to go on my MAC lipsticks, and I hope they work. So if they do, I'm going to try them out, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing with that little DIY, switching all those tops around on the channel, okay? If not this one, on beauty. I don't know which one. You know, I just upload now. I just have a good time uploading. I know I do a lot of talking on Life with Sweet Angel and Mike. Mike is out in the street. He went to the post office, running around. You know him. He's always busy doing something. So, you know, that's how it is when you retire and you don't have to work. So your girl have to work. I have to work every day, okay? Every day. Absolutely, I do. Y'all, again, I'm excited to be for New Year's in Austin, Texas. I'm excited. My girl Fast Forward is supposed to be in the house, and I'm so glad about that. We're going to be at Mr. Catfish and More in Austin, Texas on Airport Boulevard. So if you're in the Austin, Texas or surrounding areas, please make it a point to put on your cute stuff and get to the club with me and hang out. Yes, indeed. It's going to be a great time. It's going to be a free champagne toast at midnight. And honey, yeah, absolutely. We're going to have a good time. What else is new? Y'all, heck, lots of stuff. A lot of stuff I can't even think of right now. Y'all go check out my Guinea Boys. It's a biscuit and jam world. They are actually doing, instead of Vlogmas, they're doing Guinea Pigmas, okay? And they missed yesterday, but they did do something today. So check them out. Show them some love. Go subscribe to the channel. If you're subscribed to this one, it should be equal amount of subscribers. Y'all don't forget to make sure you subscribe to this channel. You see, I keep it in your face all the time. Subscribe. Absolutely. Tomorrow, I'm not sure how my day is going to go because I do have a very important engagement, noonish or so tomorrow. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get a vlog in or not. In case I don't, y'all know I'm going to do my very best. But in case I don't, charge it to my work and not my heart, because I'm going to be out and about. And of course, the meeting that I'm going to be in, I can't bring y'all in there. So, you know, I may travel. As I'm traveling back and forth, I will, you know, chit chat with y'all. So What else is good? What else is good? What else is shaking? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm going to record my nails today. I am, and I do have this makeup look coming, but I probably will just list the items down because there's something else coming along with it that I wanted to talk about in that video. So, but you'll get the makeup look since y'all been digging this red. But I changed up the products a little bit today, but they're all affordable. Everything that I use is really affordable. The only thing that may be up there is probably the highlighter. You know, that's about it. Um, what else? Oh no, I don't know. I don't know. Ain't nothing shaking. There's nothing shaking. Simple as that. I'm getting ready to get out of here. Happy Vlogmas. Did y'all like the intro? Tell me that you love the intro. I really don't know how to really do all that kind of stuff, so I just did the best I could. So I hope you really love the intro. If you did and do, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, please do. So y'all, I'm out of here. Now, oh, the other thing I want to talk about, everybody's been asking about the music. Now the music, the song that you hear on these Vlogmas videos is through Epidemic Sound. Now I have a subscription from or through Epidemic Sound. The only way you can use their music without getting copyrighted is that you have a purchased subscription, okay? So the song that I'm digging on and I love so much is Santa Hold On, and it is so nice. So that's what you hear in the background, and I'm just loving that vibe of that song. It is so cute. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, in case y'all want to, you know, listen to it while you cooking, I'm gonna make sure I have a couple of videos that all y'all hear is Santa Hold On and some of this great Christmas music, and y'all just turn on some Sweet Angel and let it go and be jamming and let everybody say, who is that and who is singing that song? But that is from Epidemic Sound, and I'll have it listed here across the screen so y'all know who it is. And I don't know, I think you can purchase it or whatever, but unfortunately I just can't share it because I don't want nobody to get in trouble for something that they didn't purchase. And you know, if you have a YouTube channel and it gets snatched and you don't make money on your videos, and you be blaming me. But I just want to keep it on up and up, okay? But anywho, y'all, that's it. I'm through, for real. I just want to share that, and I'm trying to think of anything else that may be something I need to share. Oh yeah, I'm still gonna do that fashion haul, y'all, but the stuff has not come in as quickly as it should. I got 2 packages. I thought it was gonna come in 2 different packages, but the 2 packages I got are just some little things that are just not the fashion haul, okay? So be looking out for that. Hopefully I get it all before Christmas, okay? So I can show off the stuff, because y'all might want to order some stuff, okay? But anywho, I'm gonna get ready to clean off the stairs and go get me some lunch. Some Popeye's chicken, eat that, and I'll be ready to do 99. All right, I'll see y'all on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you know what you need to do. Happy Vlogmas. Share your girl with your world. Bye.